Hey everyone! Welcome back to Nexaspaces, your one-stop channel for all things smart tech and automation. Today, we're walking you through a super easy, step-by-step installation guide for smart devices, whether it's smart lights, plugs, cameras, or thermostats. First up, unbox your device and check that everything's included: power adapter, mounting tools, maybe even a quick start guide. Give the manual a quick scan. Make sure your Wi-Fi is ready. Most smart devices need a 2.4 GHz connection, so avoid the 5 GHz network when setting up. Head to your App Store and download the right app for your device, like Smart Life, Google Home, Alexa, or Mi Home. Plug in your device, or install the batteries. Most will blink or flash, that's your sign it's ready to pair. Now, open the app, tap Add Device, and follow the steps. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the device. Once it's connected, give it a friendly name, like living room lamp. Assign it to a room for easy control later. Want to control your devices hands-free? Link them to Google Assistant, Alexa, or Siri and say the magic words. Alexa, turn on the lights. Test your new gadget. Turn it on, change a setting, or adjust brightness. Make sure it's responding quickly. Use the app to set up schedules or automations, like lights turning off at bedtime, or your AC starting before you get home. Once it's working smoothly, install it where it belongs, securely and within Wi-Fi range. You're all set. And that's it. Your space is now a little smarter, and a lot cooler. If you found this guide helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Nexaspaces for more smart tech tips, product reviews, and automation ideas. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a smart move.